How do you use Skype polls feature? To use the Skype polls feature, first of all, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of 2025 and it has been fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to use this feature within the Microsoft Teams, you simply have to open the application itself, then head to any of the conversation panel. Now, once you are here within the conversation panel, you simply have to go ahead and tap on the plus icon on the bottom left corner. From here, you should be able to find the poll option. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it, and then you can proceed to add more options by tapping on the add-on option or the plus icon. And once you're done writing your questions and your options, you simply have to go ahead and select the create poll option once again, and there you go. Once you send it to the group, people or the member of the group should be able to now use the poll and vote it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.